Relations of Osinachi can now heave a sigh of relief as the outcome of her husband's trial, Peter Nwachukwu, which lasted about 3 years, comes to an end. Peter Nwachukwu has been sentenced to death by hanging by a Federal Capital Territory High Court following his conviction on culpable homicide resulting in the death of his wife in 2022. Nwachukwu was arraigned on June 3, 2022 by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation on behalf of the federal government on the 23-count charge bordering on culpable homicide punishable with death, criminal intimidation, amongst others. The prosecution called 17 witnesses in the course of trial, including the 2 children of the late Osinachi. The late Osinachi Nwachukwu was initially thought to have died of cancer, but family and friends claimed her death was connected to an assault by her husband. Counsel for Nwachukwu, however, proceeded to file a no-case submission, implying that Nwachukwu had no case to answer. Following the autopsy report by the National Hospital in Abuja, we stated that there was no mark of violence on the deceased. The court, however, dismissed the no-case submission and ordered that the defendant open his case. The defendant testified and further called 4 other witnesses who tendered 4 exhibits in his defense. The trial judge, Justice Wonsu Iheme, subsequently sentenced Nwachukwu to death by hanging on count 1, while he was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment on other counts. He was also fined a sum of 500,000 naira and 200,000 naira respectively on count 6 and 7.